Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm doing a guide on how to plane spot at Newark's Liberty International Airport. And pretty much, yeah, this is going to be completely for free, and we're going to be doing plane spotting at parking lot 6, the economy parking lot at Newark's Liberty International Airport. And usually it's about $21 to get in there with your car, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it for free. And pretty much, yeah, so let's go ahead and get right to Terminal A. I'm going to do Terminal A because it's about like 4 p.m. right now, and there's going to be traffic, obviously, near Terminal B and Terminal C. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and go to Terminal A, and I'll see you there. Okay, so once we come to the airport itself, we're going to go to the parking and all buses P6 shuttle bus section, and it's this. Okay, so we are now officially at the bus stop. For Terminal A, it's number 4 for the bus, and this is how it looks like. Thank you. And yeah, welcome to Park Lot 6, everybody. This is where we are going to be plane spotting, and yeah.